Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna do something different. So I'm gonna start the get ready with me episodes or the groom episodes. And yeah, so in today's episode, we're getting ready for dinner to restaurant, and I'm gonna do a messy bun. So I decided to do like a tutorial for you guys. So yes, I'm also excited. So let's start with some information about the hair. It's the third day after washing it, so yeah, it's also really good if you have greasy hair and you don't know what to do with your hair, so it's also a hairstyle that you can do. So let's start with what we need for this messy bun. We're gonna need a spray bottle, we're gonna need some hair brushes, we're gonna need a towel, we're gonna need it goes with the spray. We're gonna need some hairpin or hair ties. So that's it. Okay, so let's get it started. Firstly, I don't know if I want to go like a slicked ponytail and then like a messy bun, or like a bit messy ponytail. I think I'm gonna go with a slicked version of it. So what I do to get a slick ponytail, I just put water on my hair, but you can also use gels, like it's fine. Whatever your hair prefers. But not many people know about water, that you can't get that slicked effect with the water, so try it, especially all the curly hair girlies. Okay, so it has to be a bit soaking wet, as you can see. And here's where you need the towel, and then we get the brush. Then we're doing a ponytail. I don't know if it's only me, but it really helps when I like bend down and I do my hair like that. So we don't need a really high ponytail, like at this height. Then you can spray more water. And you brush it to get a slick like. So, and this is the first step, you do the ponytail. Yes. So before you get to the next step, you need to have a ready tie. And you're just gonna take your hair, you're gonna section it in two sections, you're gonna do this thing like that, and you're gonna squeeze it, so you need to have like this kind of bun. And you're gonna tie it. You need to be like that. Okay, I have to tell you that you have to trust the process, fine? You have to trust it the whole time. You get the pins and just start to pin it, bringing everything down. As you can see, you get some hair, you put it in the back. With this hairstyle, I get so many compliments like, "Oh, did you go to the hairdresser?" And I'm like, "No guys, I did it on my own." And they're like, "Oh my god, really?" So yeah, and it's so easy. Like, look, it depends on how messy you want it to be, so you can be really flexible with that, just what looks good to you. So the one here. So, and that was it. That was the whole tutorial for the messy bun. Like, look at the results. Look at it in the back. So it's chic, classy, and really easy to do like when you're in a hurry. So yeah, I hope I helped all the girls out there. So now I'm gonna continue getting ready, and I'm gonna show you my outfit in the end. Yeah, I'm obsessed, as you can see. So it's really easy and it's pain-free, you know, because sometimes you may need to put a lot of hair ties or a lot of pins, but actually you don't need so many pins as you think. It depends actually on how much hair you have. Yeah, so now that the hair is ready, we're gonna do our makeup. Actually today we're gonna do makeup, no makeup, if you get me, but you're gonna see. I'm just gonna like do my eyebrows, like brush them, curl my eyelashes, do my lip combo, and then the feet, and that would be it. So guys, if you have any like recommendations on what tutorials or what get readies with me like you want me to do, or if you have any questions like a Q&A, you can start commenting from this video. And even check my Instagram right here if you want to see if you have any like questions, and make sure to subscribe to see the up next ones. It's gonna be really interesting, I'm telling you that. And yeah, what I was gonna do, I was gonna curl my eyelashes. Yeah. So now that I think about it, I think I want to put some mascara, so let's do it. So, and I guess that's it. I'm not gonna do anything else, like just this. So let me get the camera. Yeah. So this is the final look, and now I'm gonna show you my feet. So I think I'm gonna do a transition for the outfit. I'm wearing a simple black, like, comfy clothes that I wear at home. And yeah, so how we're gonna do this? Just gonna do this the most simple transition that anyone can do, so just. So, and here is the fit. I'm wearing a strapless black top and skirt. And so for shoes, I'm wearing this right here. And I'm really thinking about the back, like, I don't know, like this one right here gives more like a dinner vibe. You know, like it's more for going out in the evening, in the night. But I also like this one right here, which is black, and it goes with the fit. So I don't really know which one to choose. I think I'm gonna choose this one because I don't know, it just feels right for today. So yeah. So, and this was my first room get ready with me, and yeah. So I hope you like it. Write down in the comments which bag would you choose, and if you tried the messy bun, and how did you like? Was it easy for you, or how did it turn out? So, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye! Gonna go cause I'm late.